step into the Dodge 2020 Challenger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: GO Mango tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, blacktop package included, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, rear black spoiler, satin black Dodge tail lamp badge wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted black grille with bezel, black fuel filler door, leather performance steering wheel, Challenger blacktop grille badge, black houndstooth cloth sport seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50 STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD,